What's good YouTube, it's your boy Nick Wavy. I'm back with a new video. Now, if you are not up to date, yes, actually you guys haven't seen the update video yet of my hair. I am currently a 180 waver. I had to cut my hair short to basically fix and change my pattern. And that's where I'm at right now. But that's not what this video is about. I'm gonna have a video about that and how I have my brush sessions now and how I changed my pattern. I'm gonna have that video. That's gonna be the next video I drop. But this video is all about the new Wavy merch brushes now. If you guys followed Wavy merch or me like online and stuff, you would know that I launched Wavy merch in February of this year. And then the brushes sold out. And it took a while for me to get the new brushes in. That's because I was taking extra long with these. I was making sure that everything was right and everything was super perfect. But the day has finally come. I got the brushes in yesterday and they're already on the website. They're already selling. If you guys are interested, use the coupon code YouTubeFam for 10% off. And this video is basically going to show you guys what the new brushes look like. And I've been getting a lot of messages on my Instagram about the new brushes. And I just want to give you guys an update on how they look, because I never did that yet. I just dropped the pictures and everybody started buying, but there's no reviews out yet. So this video is going to be a quick review on the new white diamond and black diamond brushes. So we'll start out with the black one. So as you can see, we got the box right here. I don't have the Alaska or the Inferno anymore. I'm sold out, so I wish I could do a brush comparison. But it's basically the same design, it's the same structure, but it's just designed a bit differently. Now with these brushes, this is the medium one. As you can see, it's curved. Okay, I wanted a curved brush because I do like how curved brushes feel on my head. It provides a different feeling and it hits your waves differently. So the way we printed the logo is totally different. It's gonna last a lot longer than the Alaska and the Inferno. We did a different method of printing it. We got finger grooves on the side, so when you're holding it, you can actually put your fingers in the groove and it's a lot more comfortable. And the curved bristles, like I really do like the curve. Like initially I wanted the brushes to be curved like the Alaska and the Inferno, but I just couldn't make it happen at that time. It wasn't gonna be ready. So I was happy I did the flat, but it gave me extra time to make sure I got my curve right. So the wood is also curved on the inside and the outside, and the bristles are actually curved as well. So just this is just a look of the brush. I'm gonna do a brush session after this. I just wanna give you guys a quick look. Let me bring it up closer. So there we go. Grips on the side. This looks really nice. And this is the medium. Now this could work as I would say it's like a soft medium. It's a bit more firm than the Inferno. It's a bit more firm than that. It's not as soft as the Inferno. And it's a bit more firm. So not as firm as the Alaska. So onto the white diamond. Now this is going to be the most effective brush I can already tell that I have out right now, simply because of the bristles. Now again, it's the same box. This is the white diamond wolfing brush, and I just want to show you guys the bristles. You can already tell, like we still have the rows. You can still see how the bristles are positioned. Let me get up close for y'all so I can really see. So you could see that's gonna, now to get a feel of the bristles, look at that. Now this is a wolfing brush. I feel like it's still a little firm on my hair right now. My hair is a little too short to use this as effective. Look at that, that's crazy. You guys said you wanted a hard brush? Here's a hard brush. Now again, we have the curves. The wood is curved, the bristles are curved. And again, we have the new logo printing on the front, so it lasts a lot longer. Grips on the side for holding it, and pointed tips as always. And yeah, this is gonna be a serious brush. I tried to use this, but I can't use it right now because my hair is too short. I just got a cut. This is definitely a wolfing brush, so when my hair gets super long, I'm definitely gonna pull this out and it's gonna go crazy. Like just look at the bristles, y'all. You can already tell. Don't focus on me, focus on the brush. There you go. So yeah, I'm excited to use this one, but that's just a brief showing you guys what the brushes look like. Now I'm gonna do a quick little brush session, so let's see how it works. Alright, so the first brush that we're gonna use is the white diamond. Let me give you guys, oh yeah. Now, I don't know how long I can use this because I already have a headache and my hair is really short, as you guys can tell. I just got the fresh cut not too long ago. Now, my initial thoughts is that this is definitely getting down to my scalp. I think that's the major difference between the Alaska Ice and this brush, is that this is getting down to my scalp and I feel it. The curve, it sits nice on my head. It's covering angles that I want to hit. And it kind of hurts on my back and my side because my hair is really short there. So as you can see here, I'm really trying to, I'm shifting everything though. We want a real beehive. But I can still use it, like it. And I recently wet it. I just rinsed it, so the bristles are a bit softer. But when I pulled this out the box for the first time and I use it on my head, I couldn't even use it. It feels good. It's pulling all my hair and it's getting down to my scalp. I think that's exactly what we needed for a wolfing brush. That's the difference between this and the Alaska, that this is getting down to the scalp. But yeah, it's a little too firm for my head right now. So I can't really enjoy it as much. I'm trying to reconstruct my left side. I'm gonna give you guys another video basically fully explaining why and how I'm gonna do it. But I'm changing up the brush pattern. Yeah, it's starting to hurt a little bit, but that's a good thing because that's how you know it's actually a serious hard brush. This is gonna be crucial for those wolfing sessions. Yeah, it kind of hurts my head, y'all. I'm gonna stop using it. Now, my initial review is that you cannot use this when you have short hair. When you have short hair, like I feel it on my head right now. So now we're gonna use the medium, the black diamond medium. You guys see the curve. And yeah, this feels a lot better. I feel like this pulls the hair. It doesn't get down to the scalp, so you have to use it. And I feel like even with soft brushes, like if you just gently go over your hair and let the brush pull the hair instead of your hands pulling everything, it'll give you a different feeling. So this definitely feels good. I still feel this in my scalp, but I feel it not as much in the scalp. I feel it more pulling the hair and gliding over it. Yeah, that feels good. This is a brush that you could brush with all day. I think you could use this. Well, I'm not wolfing right now, so it's hard to say, but I know when my hair is longer and I'm done my brush sessions, I could use this as a finisher, make sure everything is laid down and it'll still get pulled. And it doesn't hurt my head. This could definitely pass as a soft medium. I would say it's a soft medium, but it's not a soft. Feels good. I like this. This is good. But that is basically just a quick review. I wanted to get the video out there so you guys can see how the brush is in real life and not just through pictures and see it in motion. I sent out brushes yesterday, so you guys should be getting the brushes. If you ordered it, you should be getting it in a few days. If you didn't even know I released the brushes, you need to go follow Wavy Merch on Instagram because that's where I officially launched it. Then the next day I dropped it on my IG. And now today I'm dropping it on YouTube. So if you want the exclusives, You need to follow Wavy Merch on Instagram. It's wavy_merch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Post in the comment section your thoughts on the brushes so far. If you guys are interested in getting it, use the coupon code YouTubeFam. And I'm curious to hear what you guys think, because if you bought the Alaskan Inferno, buy these ones and give me the updated review, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys smash the like button, turn on the notifications, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.